Welcome to Leading Forklift Parts sharing video. Today, I show you forklift engine coolant part, engine radiator. There are two materials of engine radiator. One is bronze and one is aluminum. Here we have many radiators in our warehouse. Please look at this aluminum radiator. A radiator is critical to keep the right temperature for the engine to work nicely. The hot coolant is cooling down in the radiator. If a radiator is broken down, the entire cooling system of the engine will not work. It will cause the engine to overheat, and the engine will die soon. If you replace your radiator, it's recommended to buy OEM parts. If you purchase a cheap aftermarket parts, it may feel similar to OEM parts at first. But after some time, the radiator will have problems and you'll have to fix it up again. Let's quickly review this forklift engine coolant parts, engine radiator for cooling down your engine. Thank you very much for watching Leading Forklift Parts sharing video. For more information, please contact me. It's my pleasure to share more with you.